She's going crazy. She is straight out of her mind. She's bad behaving. She twerks harder than a motherfucker. She is straight out of her mind. She's bad behaving. She's going crazy.
Got my mom, my baby, my sister, and me, and we're going to Cocina in Playa. So, y'all, I don't know. I need to be editing. I'm gonna post a video tomorrow. I'm gonna post a video tomorrow, and tonight I'm gonna edit Saturday's Jeremiah skate party. Travis, you wanna go stay with your TT Saturday night? TT Rachel.
Y'all just sound like you must be looking for your places to go.
No, it's not that. Like, I'm going to the skate party. It's Jeremiah's birthday. You know how long it's been since I've been skating?
That's right over here.
First of all, I need you to slow down while you're doing 50 on the 35. Huh? Yeah, okay, we'll talk to her about it.
I wonder which way Nathan went, the streets?
Huh?
He went the streets?
Yeah, I'm sure he did with that truck. I mean, that
truck. Yeah, you're right.
that thing he drives.
I might get the fish tacos.
Yeah, they don't really know what they want. Let me see, should I get the taco plate? It's only 2, so I might as well just get 2 different tacos. But it comes with the rice, beans, spicy sauce, quinoa salad. So do I want a plate? What you getting, Brie? You getting 2 different tacos or you getting a plate?
So whenever I come, I get tacos. I want a chicken fried burrito. So I'm either gonna get the Chipotle shrimp burrito.
Wait, what a burrito?
Or I'm gonna ask for the vegetarian burrito.
Do you get the vegetarian burrito?
You want to split it? Oh, you're not eating shrimp? You want to split a burrito?
Yeah, we can.
And then I can get a taco if I want this one.
Yeah, less shrimp, split a burrito, and both get a taco. Cause I want to get
The fish taco?
I want to get
But what kind of burrito?
it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter? Okay, I'm gonna find out what's
The fish taco?
I kind of want the Chipotle shrimp. I kind of want the Chipotle shrimp, but I want to see what's in what.
Can I get a choice?
I'm gonna get the mushroom.
Show taco?
I'm gonna get the
What do you get?
what is it, mushroom, whatever?
The Havana mushroom and corn taco. I think that's what I'm getting this one.
Yeah.
Oh, black bean.
Hey, mom. Hey, mom. Mom.
And then you want to just burrito?
Hey, Nathan.
What do you want to drink?
I ain't got no job.
Hey, Bree. Bree.
And you give me a check?
So, we're at Cocina. So beautiful out here. This is going to be my next play. I'm coming over here. So, get ready, y'all. Turn it at my spot.
He didn't beat up the kid, he probably detained him.
Maybe I want to make her like in the house or something like that.
He beat him up? What did he say?
So we got black bean dip and salsa. Travis got his pineapple juice. We're grabbing. We're gonna be full off of this, the black bean dip. Don't double dip, okay? Don't do that. It's nasty.
I don't double dip.
Yeah, you just did. It's gross. My taco. Here's my taco, guys, and my burrito. And then my mom has chicken tacos. She got some guac that I'm gonna eat. She got some cucarachas. He has fish tacos.
I didn't want guacamole.
Travis.
Wait, time out. Time out. She randomly put guacamole on my fish.
You was holding your. She just did what a mom would do.
She put guacamole.
She did.
I'll eat one with guacamole, one without guacamole.
That was funny.
Automatically.
Why was you holding your plate up there though, like you wanted guacamole?
So you can have a picture.
Oh, Travis got bean and cheese burrito. Bree got a shrimp burrito and a taco. So we are about to eat, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we just finished eating at Cocina, and it was really, really good. We all have the itis now, but aren't we gonna go to the shopping center or are we not going? Bree?
I don't care.
We getting ready to go to the car. Yeah, the shopping center, because Nathan wanna go to Whole Foods, right? Come on, baby.
Where's Nathan?
No, he went to Whole Foods. Didn't he?
You went to the bathroom and said, I don't know.
I don't know. He said he wanted to go to Whole Foods. He was like, all right, we going to Whole Foods?
You know, let's wait till the next fountain.
Okay, you want to wait at the fountain? Bree can take a picture of me and Travis. It's in the trunk.
In those few months. And
So
then
they make their money for the year in those few months. And then they
if
put
you-
it in like a thing and like have it release
Right.
themselves.
Right, because if you let's say you make $60,000, okay? I mean, that's not even that many. 60,000 clients could be 100, 200 clients, and they pay
You
their.
have to hire, you would have to hire people to help you, right?
If you have that many clients, yeah.